Hello students, welcome to my class. Let us discuss the poem Beauty of a Standard, second language English. This poem Beauty is written by Louise Ebaeta. Her pen name is E.A. Shaw. She was born in 1926 in New Mexico, United States. She is also known as Blue Corn. She is an American writer, poet and educator. Her famous work is I'm a Pueblo Indian Girl. ಲೂಸಿ ಎಬಾಯ್ಟ್ ಅವರ ಕಾವ್ಯನಾಮ E.A. ಶೋ. ಅವರು ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ನ್ಯೂ ಮೆಕ್ಸಿಕೋದವರು. ಇವರು ಲೇಖಕರು, ಕವಯಿತ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತರಬೇತುದಾರರು. ಈ ಪದ್ಯದ ಹೆಸರೇ ಸೂಚಿಸುವಂತೆ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಸರಳ ಪದ್ಯ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದರೂ ಚೊಕ್ಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಎಂದರೇನು, ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಅಡಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ರೀತಿಯ ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಜಾ ಆಫ್ ದ poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Here corn means the chief cereal crop of wheat, oats, maize, barley, etc. Harvest means the time of the year when the crop is ready. Grouping means action or things in a group. The poet's concept of what beauty is. Beauty is in the eyes of beholder, she says. Beholder means the person who sees or observes someone or something. She says beauty is everywhere. In the first two stanzas, the poet focuses on beauty in nature. The poet says that the real beauty can be seen in the sunlight, trees and birds, in the corn growing, people working, or people dancing for the harvest. ಕವಯಿತ್ರಿಯವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತು ಕೇಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರುವ ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳು, ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು, ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ, ಸುಗ್ಗಿಯ ಕಾಲದ ಜನರ ನರ್ತನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಪ್ರಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ವಿವರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಜಾ ಆಫ್ ದ poem. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Sighing means sound of a deep, loud breath or exhalation taken in relief. Chanting means singing. Earnest means sincere and honest conviction. Beauty lies in the sound of nature. Beauty is the thing to be felt. It can be heard means one can listen to it. Like one can hear its sound when night falls, when the wind blows and creates a sound, when rain falls on the earth and when a singer sings. One can even feel it in a sincere and honest conviction of a person. ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ತಂಗಾಳಿಯ ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೀಳುವ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರ ಇಂಪಾದ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪಠನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗಂಭೀರವಾದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The third stanza of the poem. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Deed means acts. Repeat means to happen again and again. Beauty is in ourselves. That is in our good deeds, happy thoughts. These all repeat themselves in our dreams, in our work, and in our rest. In this stanza, beauty refers to internal beauty of a person, like one's views, good acts, one's wishes, which one even imagines in dreams. Beauty can be one way of work or even the style of taking rest. Thus, beauty is very vast. It cannot be confined to one thing. Rather, it is there in everything. We just need eyes and a heart to see it. ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಂತೋಷಕರವಾದ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವು ತಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತಾವೇ ಮರುಕಳಿಸುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಕನಸುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಬರಿಯ ಬಾಹ್ಯ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ವಸ್ತುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡುವವರ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವೇ ದೇವರು ಎಂದು ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Summary of the poem. The poet is trying to say in this poem that beauty is in everything. All things are beautiful in their own unique way. In this poem, the poet describes things in which we can see and hear the beauty. During the day, beauty can be seen in the trees, the birds, corn growing, people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is not only seen but can also be heard or felt. In the night, we can hear the beauty in wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting with a determination. They all give pleasure to the mind and make one feel happy. Poet says that beauty can be seen in our good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in our dreams. Our dreams are also beautiful as they give us reason to advance and work with zeal. Beauty is in your style of work, the way you take rest and sleep. Beauty is everywhere. It is in attitude, the way we look at things. Actually, everything is beautiful in its own unique manner. The need is to feel it. Thank you.